Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 6th from Government Girls Upper Primary School, BATAGUND Zone Mawar. Today on dated 20th of September 2020, the day is Sunday. Our topic in subject math is the subtraction of unlike fractions. Dear guys, we are going today to learn how we can subtract the unlike fractions. Yesterday we learned about the addition and subtraction of the like fractions, in which the three steps were involved. In the first step, we add the numerators, and then in second step we retain the same denominator, and in the third step will give answer to us, that will the result of first and second step. Now today we are going to how we can subtract the unlike fractions. The unlike fractions are those fractions having the different denominators. Suppose we are asked what should be added to 1 by 5, fraction 1 by 5 to get 1 by 2. We are asked how much 1 by 5 should be added. The net result will be 1 by 2. This is how we can solve this question. 1 by 5, we are asked how much it is added by to get the result 1 by 2. Dear guys, in case of this, we can get the result by not by addition but by subtraction. That means the two terms here given are first fraction and the net result. The second fraction is not given. To get the second fraction, we can subtract the first fraction from the net result. This involves subtraction. When we have to add the two unlike fractions and to get the net result, but if the one of the two fractions is given and one is not given, the ungiven, the fraction which is not given can be traced by the process of subtraction. That means the fraction given must be subtracted from the net result, so the second fraction can be traced out. This means this involves subtraction, that is, we should subtract the 1 by 5, fraction 1 by 5 from this 1 by 2 to get the answer, so we can get this fraction. That means 1 by 2 must be subtracted by 1 by 5 to get this net result here. But these are unlike fractions. Here the fractions, two fractions are unlike fractions. How can we subtract these unlike fractions? To subtract, we have to change them into like fractions by finding their equivalent fractions with the same denominator. That means we have to, first of all, we have to change these fractions by changing them into like fractions, unlike fractions into like fractions. But this can be done by finding the equivalent fractions of this fraction and this fraction having the same denominator. That means their equivalent fractions with the same denominator are, if we take this fraction 1 by 2, its equivalent fractions are 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 and 5 by 10. The equivalent fractions of 1 by 5 are 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10 and so on. The 2 by 10 and 5 by 10. 5 by 10 of this 1 by 2 and 2 by 10 of this 1 by 5. These are two like fractions. These are the two like fractions having the same denominator, that is 10. This can simply achieved by multiplying. This is the one way to get the like fraction from both these. This can simply achieved by multiplying. We can make the second step also. There is also second method to get the like fraction of these unlike fractions. How we can achieve that? In that case, first fraction by we can achieve this by multiplying the first fraction. This is the first fraction. We can we should multiply it with the denominator of the second fraction. That means 1 by 2 is multiplied 5 by 5, and the second fraction then is multiplied by the denominator of the first fraction, that is 1 into 2 over 5 into 2. So that is this 1 by 2, it is multiplied by the this denominator 5 by 5. We will get 5 ones are 5, 2 5s are 10, and this second fraction 1 by 5, it is multiplied by 2 by 2, that is 1 into 2 over 5 into 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 5 2s are 10. That means this 5 by 10 and 2 by 10, as here they are the like fractions of this 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. That means 1 by 2 is also equal to 5 by 10, and this 1 by 5 is also equal to this 2 by 10. Now we can take these two like fractions of both the fractions, that is 5 by 10 minus 2 by 10. We can subtract them. In place of this, we have taken their like fractions. The like fraction of 1 by 10 and 5 by 10 are 5 by 1 by 2 and 1 by 5 are 5 by 10 and minus 2 by 10. Now, being like fractions, written the same denominator and subtract the numerators, that is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. It is 3 by 10. So this is the fraction in blank space. That means the fraction here, it should be 3 by 10. Or we can say now, if 5 by 10 is added by 3 by 10, 1 by 5 is added by 3 by 10, the net result will be 1 by 2. Hope, dear guys, you have followed me. If any confusion, you can again call me on my number. I will be available at any time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.